What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video we are doing a review of some e.l.f. products. We're doing the e.l.f. Solid Sponge Cleanser along with Mouth Off Lipstick Remover Pads, and we're going to be discussing the e.l.f. makeup brush, glove, and again my beauty blenders. So if you want to hear my thoughts on all these products and how they worked out, were they a pass or a fail, keep watching. Smooches. What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. I know I look a little crazy right now, no makeup on and just bright ass lipstick, but it makes sense, trust me. Before we get into this whole review, I do want to say, if you are new to my channel, what's up? I'm Jen, glad you could join me. And if you are a returning viewer, what's up? What's good? How you been? Glad you made it back. Also, if you are not already, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button along with sorry, light's going crazy over here on me. Hit the subscribe button along with the notification bell so that you know when I post. As of right now, I usually post Monday, Thursday, and Saturday, but that may be changing and going up a day in the near future, and you know, that's why you want to be notified, because I do change things around from time to time. But I'd still like to keep it at least 2 to 3 times a week of posting. So lots of videos, lots of big stuff coming up this year you're not going to want to miss. So without further ado, let's get started in this review. Alright, we are going to be reviewing the e.l.f. Solid Sponge Cleanser. I got some note cards over here. This is similar to like the Beauty Blender solid blender cleaner, and I looked up the prices of those. The regular is $16, and then they have a jumbo one that is also It also has charcoal in it, as this does. This has charcoal in it, and that one was $45, which I thought, yikes, that's a hell of a lot of money for a bar of soap, quite honestly. This one was $4. So we're gonna see how it works. We're gonna try cleaning my dirty beauty blender, along with, I wanna see if it works on regular makeup brushes. So to help with those items, I have my e.l.f. Cleansing, they call it a glove. So this guy is $10 at e.l.f. and this is comparable to, they had one at Ulta for $5 that wasn't as nice as this. It was just like a regular, like this one has for all different sizes and whatever. And then there's also one that Sigma made, which was comparable to this. That one was $25. This, like I said, was $10. So we've got that bad boy. And then we're also reviewing the Mouth Off Lipstick Remover Pads. And I currently use the NYX Be Gone Lip Color Remover. That's what I normally use. This is $5, and this you get 24 pads, and this is $2. $2. Can't beat that with a bat. So we're gonna review that. This beauty blender I got from e.l.f. This was also $4. Correct? Yes. The solid beauty sponge. This was $4, and this is similar to, it's like in between the Real Techniques beauty blender that's $5, and then the original beauty blender, which is $20. So this, like I said, $4, and this is all I use every day. This thing is so resilient. A lot of times when I would wash my beauty blender, my nails, just from squeezing it, would leave holes. This, it's so durable, and it's nice and buoyant like the Real Techniques. So I really love this beauty blender. Alright, so that's everything we got going on. So let's get to reviewing. So I'm going to start off with these Mouth Off lipstick removers. And if I went too fast for you with all of that, then don't worry, everything will be listed below. Okay, so comes in this little package here. Like I said, $2. There's the price. And it comes in this package. It says, these lip remover pads make taking your lipstick off a breeze with conditioning ingredients that won't leave your lips feeling dry. Use these lip remover pads to make removing lipstick as easy as putting it on. One swipe dissolves and lifts lipsticks of any kind and leaves the lips bare and conditioned. These perfectly sized pads ensure that you won't waste another makeup wipe on removing your lipstick. That's nice. Directions: swipe over lips in a back and forth motion until color is removed. Pretty freaking simple. Okay, so it has a protector on it, which is good. I'm going to use my handy dandy scissors here. Just kind of poke in there. Get this out of here. Okay. At least you know they're nice and fresh because they got the plastic on. Okay, pick that off. Okay. They have like no odor. Okay, so here's one. Feels nice and soft and pretty saturated. So let's try taking this off. It's a bit small for taking off my lipstick. I mean, yeah, it's working, but I feel like you're gonna need 2 pads to remove a full lipstick, you know? Let's see. They're a little bit difficult to work with because they're so small. And yeah, this is completely saturated. I'm just gonna be smearing stuff now. So I definitely have to use a second one. I think with a nude lipstick, 1 might be enough, but with red, for sure you're gonna need 2. Okay. And all I did was put 1 coat on like normal. Yeah, if I hadn't used the second, all this red that was smeared out here, I wouldn't be able to get it off because it just smeared. So, all in all, does it work? Yes. You had 24 pads and as you saw, I had to use 2. So this would be enough for about 12 lipstick applications. If you're gonna remove 12, that's not very much. Whereas this, I've had for many months. I only have to use a pea-size amount that pretty much covers my whole lips. And this thing is it's probably about halfway gone. And I've been using it for several months. So, these, like I said, were only $2. That's $5. Yes, it works, but even at $2, I know it's cheap, but these are, I'm gonna say 1 up, 1 down. It did what it's supposed to, but I think, you know, you just get too few to, you're gonna go through them like crazy and they're gonna add up then. Whereas this, a tissue or whatever, baby, whatever you wanna use in this, and it's off and it lasts me a lot more than 12 applications. So 1 up, 1 down. Yes, it works, but I just don't see it being very, you know, it's just pricey. You're gonna go through a lot, you know, it's not a lucrative buy. What it would be good for is throwing it in your purse so you're not getting stuff all over, because you don't need a tissue or anything. Like, this is all you need, versus this, you need something to wipe it off on. So if you're on the go, keeping it in your purse, this will be great for that, but I can't see it practical for every day. So moving on. Alrighty, so let's try now the solid sponge cleanser. So this comes in this little package right here, nice hard tin, so that you can, again, this is travel friendly, or you can have it at home. Now, what the box says, this solid cleanser deep cleans sponges and brushes helping to remove makeup and dirt. The solid cleanser includes a travel-friendly case enriched with charcoal to help detoxify, thoroughly clean, and help prevent breakouts. Directions: wet sponge or makeup brush and massage across cleanser, creating a lather. Rinse with warm water and set aside to dry. Allow cleanser to fully dry before placing back into travel case. Well, honestly, I'm going to leave it in the travel case, just take the lid off, and then wet my stuff on there. So I guess I would just leave the lid off of it so that until it dries out, make sure you pour out any water. So that's how we're gonna roll with this one today. Okay, so let me wet my beauty blender. And then I squeeze about 70% of the water out just so it's lightly dripping, so I can then swipe it across here. And I just kind of keep rolling until I get all sides. Back, and then make sure, always get that tip, because the tip is always in all your little crevices. All right, so I did that. It also smells like e.l.f., like all their products. It smells like that clean scent. All right, so this you can use on this glove. Again, put the glove on the hand, and then you can kind of work it on here. And now I'm gonna rinse. And yeah, clean as a whistle. It did great. You get a decent size of this. Where is the lid? I'll give you the, it's 1.56 ounces or 44 grams. I really liked it for doing my beauty blender. It worked like a charm. It's quick and easy, and again, I love that it has the travel case. Okay, this worked well too, to just kind of, I don't think I would use this for just cleaning my beauty blender. I think just rubbing it on there and on my hand is enough. But let's try the brushes now. I did bring one natural hair bristle and then one synthetic. So this is a Morphe M509 brush. These are of course natural hairs. Alright, so I wet it, and now we're going to swipe it around in here. Nice and easy. Alright, back on this. And we're going to, you probably need to do this under the water. I'm just showing you what I'm going to be doing under the water. And this way you can go back and forth and dip it on the soap and then on here and go back and forth until it's completely clean. Get up at the top a little bit. Okay, now let's clean her. Back on here, get in the back of the brush. And it's nice because it has this to wring the water out at the end before you set it up to dry. And then you just kind of take it here and use this to wring your water out. This is not as great as I would like it to be, but I think overall that was really nice. I'm just going to lay this flat and let her dry. Now let's move on to the Morphe M556. This is just a blush brush. Same thing, I'm going to wet it and run it in here. Yeah, so this is pretty simple. And then when you're done, you just kind of rinse it off and let it air dry. Real nice. All right, back with our glove. Just gonna lather it up on here. This thing is awesome. I think definitely worth the price. It's convenient. Oh my God, all that color coming out. Ooh. We're gonna use this again. Try and wring the water out. All right, look at it go. Oop. That's pretty freaking cool. Yeah, one more time. Let's do it this way so you can see. See it squeeze all that water out? Pretty freaking cool. All right. Now we're just gonna let this one air dry as well. But my final thoughts and review on these products. As I said about the lip product, one up, one down, it works, yes, but do I think I'll be buying more of these instead of this? No. I'm gonna stick to my NYX. Like I said, this will be good to keep in my purse, just something to have that's not gonna get all over everything, something quick in a pinch, but that's all I would probably use it for. And this I will be using every single day, hands down, loved it, thought it was fantastic. And this worked great as well. And as you know, I'm obsessed with this beauty blender, use it every day. So the only one that was kind of a was the lip remover. So that's it for today, folks. Again, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up if you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe. I mean, why not? Come join my family over here, the Jersey J fam. Come on over. I love you guys, and thank you so much for giving me a few moments of your time. And don't forget, you know, I love conversating with you guys. Leave some info, talk to me, and want to conversate, hit me up in the comments. And you can also follow me on all my social media at JerseyJenny30 as well, or all the links are below or on my homepage. I love you guys, and until the next one, smooches! Bye!